Hello there, and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online English language lessons we offer. Even though Christmas is just around the corner now, only 10 days or so away. To be honest, until very recently, I really hadn't been in the mood for it. Perhaps because of the extended lockdown we've had here and the lack of Christmas shopping and going out to meet friends before Christmas. Perhaps because of the fact that due to ongoing restrictions, I won't be able to see my mum this Christmas or any of my extended family. For all of those reasons, I guess I hadn't really been feeling very Christmassy. However, this weekend I went out with my kids and we bought a Christmas tree and we've got it all decorated now. I've had a couple of mince pies, which are very traditional here in the run-up to Christmas. I've had my first whiskey mac, a glass of Scotch whisky and Stone's ginger wine. And as a result of all of this, finally, I'm actually starting to feel quite Christmassy. If you feel Christmassy, you feel in the Christmas mood. You feel good and happy because it's Christmas. Maybe for some people you'd feel more Christmassy if it started snowing. Or maybe sometimes you go round to a friend's house and they've put up all their Christmas decorations and you compliment them by saying, "Oh, looks nice and Christmassy in here." If you have enjoyed the video, please make sure you click the like button below, share it with your friends if you can, and in the comment section below, we'd love to hear about the kind of things that make you feel Christmassy.